Smartphone manufacturers are likely to enhance security features.
Explore
This
local
may include
resources and
improved biometric
agencies for qualified coverage.
methods,
Consider
element
ultimate
for transport,
arrangements such as shared
focused
caregiving.
features.
Investigate
It's essential
government
to keep
assistance
in mind that there
program
are journal exceptions
and
based on
grants.
trend
Explore
observed up to
long-term
2022.
care insurance
For the
options.
most actual and up-to-date information
Establish a
on
clear
the smartphone
care
industry
agreement
in
with
2024,
the
it's
carrier.
recommended
Consider
to refer
legal
the
aspects
latest
such as power
new
of
article and
attorney and
industrial
advanced
analysis.
directivity.
By 2024, 5G
Remote
technology is
monitoring
expected to be
devices
more
for
widespread
health
and many future smartphones
parameters,
are likely to have
telehealth
5G capacity
services
with better coverage,
for virtual
faster speed, and
consultations,
more widespread adoption of 5G
increase
enabled application and series.
मोटो की
The
करना
trend
मुझे कर दो
toward foldable and flexible display technologies in smartphone may continue to evolve. Manufacturers are expected to refine and
सारू
extend
डाल दियो
their
फिर
offspring of foldable device, providing users with a unique for the factory and enhance continuous improvement in smartphone technology. This includes advancement in sensory technology, photography, and possibly the integration of more advanced features such as under display camera or improved low light performance. AI is likely to play an prominent role in smartphone affecting various aspects such as photography, voice assistance, and overall user experience. Enhanced AI capacity may lead to more personalized and intelligent integration with voice. The integration of AR and VR feature in smartphone may become more prevalent. This could include improved AI application for game, navigation, and social interaction, as well as more impressive VR experience. There is growing awareness of environment corner and smartphone manufacturer may continue to impressive. This includes using more eco-friendly material, reducing electronic waste, and adopting environmentally conscious, particularly in the manufacturing process. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about the smartphone industries in 2024. However, I can provide some general trend and expectations that were relevant up to my last update. Keep in mind that the actual development in 2024 may vary. By 2024, 5G technology is expected to be more widespread and future. Smartphones are likely to have improved 5G capabilities with better coverage, faster speed, and more widespread adoption of 5G enabled application and series. The trend toward foldable and flexible display technology in smartphone may continue to evolve. Manufacturers are expected to refine and extend their offspring of foldable device, providing the user with unique form factors and health. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. It's until next time. Bye.